Hey you guys, so I wanted to do a quick video update on my Sephora purchase that I did a while back during this VIB sale. I've been using the products now for a little bit of time, and I feel like I kind of have an idea of how I feel about the products so far, and I kind of wanted to do it a little bit more separated from my monthly favorites. So I'm just going to pull up my orders on what I purchased. So the first thing I picked up was the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Jet Set. I wanted to purchase this one because of the spray itself. I was going to purchase the perfume, but I was reading the reviews and a lot of people really preferred the spray. They said that it was just more true to scent from the original Boom Boom cream. That was like one of my most exciting purchases. I actually went back online after we got it. I went back online to go get 2 more and they sold out. So they are now back in stock in Sephora, but when they sold out, I went over to the Sol de Janeiro website and they had it, thankfully, and I ended up picking up 2 more of these sets. And I just was on email customer service issues. I was having a customer service issue with this because I ordered 2 of them got lost in transit, and they are resending me 2 more. So I do love them though. That's how much I fell in love with this collection. I feel like the Brazilian Crush is very much similar to the scent of the Boom Boom cream. It does linger. It's not super overpowering, so you only need like 2 mists of it. But when you pair all these together, I feel like it lingers a lot longer. As far as like the body wash in this goes, it wouldn't be something that I would purchase on its own. But like as a set, I found that this was like the best price point for it. So I did end up picking up 2 more of these. All right, so then I did purchase the Drunk Elephant Cocomino Marula Cream. This was retail for $25, and I believe you got 8 fluid ounces on it. I'm looking at the reviews right now. When I first purchased it, it was brand new. Like, you know, everybody had just heard about this, and this was just something that came out, so I feel like a lot of the reviews weren't out yet. But now I'm looking at it, it's got 142 reviews, and it's barely got 3 stars. And I probably can see why. I've used about a half a bottle maybe. Here's the problem. The biggest problem I have, which I knew going into this, but again, I was so hyped up when this product came out, I didn't care that I knew I was going to go through this really quickly. If you pay $25 for 8 fluid ounces, to me that is so expensive considering I usually get all of my hair care products at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or I wait until Ulta does their like leader sales and I pick it up then because I feel like you can get a really bomb deal. And I normally only use Pureology Redken and sometimes Big Sexy Hair. For a while I was using Big Sexy Hair. So those are usually my 3 favorite brands. I find that they do such a good job, especially if you have like colored hair like I do. If you have thick hair like I do, or even long and thick hair, or even just really long hair, I don't think that this product's going to work for you because you're just going to go through it so much because the consistency is so thin that it doesn't make my hair soft at all. I don't feel like I get enough product in my hair. Overall, I just don't see the benefit of this, and after using it as long as I have, I would never purchase this again. So I probably will stay away from the Drunk Elephant hair care line and just stick to what I normally purchase. But it was interesting to try out. Every time I use it, I'm like, I can't believe I spent $25. And that's how I know I don't like a product. When I am in the shower washing my hair using this, I'm like, I cannot believe I spent $25 on this. And I think that just sums it up right there. So the other thing I picked up is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This one here is not a new product, but I did pick up the shade Uncuffed, which is a rosy mauve shade. I absolutely love this color. Let me see if I have it. I'm getting ready to film my Shop My Stash, and I already have it in there. I absolutely love this shade. I'm so excited that I picked up this color. I feel like it was the best color to pick out for myself as like a first-time purchase from the Fenty liquid lipstick line, and it does a really good job. It's like long wearing. It is very similar to my lip color, so I feel like it's my lip color but just a little bit more enhanced. And I would definitely say that that product itself has definitely led me to want to purchase like more of her colors. So I can definitely say that I would purchase more of her liquid lipsticks because I do find them to work very well. Next up I picked up is the Pat McGrath's Lab Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. And I've talked about this product already a few times, like when I tested products out in my Shop My Stash and some other videos when I've used it. I'm not really sold on it. I just don't see it do a whole lot for me. First of all, it kicks up powder like nobody's business. You could like lightly touch it with your brush and it just picks up so much powder. And I think the other reason why I don't really care for it is because I got the shade medium for underneath my eyes and I feel like I needed to go in with light. I think my problem with this product is just that I had such high hopes and high expectations because it is a Pat McGrath product and everybody raves about Pat McGrath. I've heard nothing but rave reviews, and I almost feel like if you have a bad review of Pat McGrath's product, it's your problem, not their problem. So I am kind of just bummed because I'm like, oh, it's my first product from this brand and I hated it. So it doesn't mean I won't try other products from this brand. It just, for me, definitely, again, verifies my thinking that I definitely need to be in store when I purchase stuff like this, because, you know, looking at it like online, I'm like, oh, it's just a little light, it's not too bright, so it'll work. It ended up not working. Next, and then the very last thing I picked up was another product from Drunk Elephant, and it was the Happy Scalp Scrub. And right now this one sits at 4 stars at 154 reviews. So this is supposed to be a scrub that you put in your hair. It is very, very gritty. So you apply this before you shampoo your hair, like 10 minutes before you get in the shower. It has like a really thin nozzle tip, which is really nice. So you kind of just run it in your hair like this, and then you're supposed to massage it in your hair. And it works, it's fine, it does the job, and I love the nozzle tip on it because I really feel like it gets right into your scalp, so it's not sitting in your hair, and it's really on your scalp, and you can really, you know, work that product in. So it's fine, it does the job, like it gets most of the dandruff out, but you have to really wash your hair out with this product, and you have to almost like triple shampoo your hair, and you have to really work it in for a while. And even then, I do find that I sometimes will be left with just a little bit of the residue from it. I use this anywhere between 1 to twice a week. It says to use up to 2 times a week. Usually mine's at once because I usually wash my hair like once a week, and it's a fine product. It works, but I don't know that I would recommend it to people, or I would repurchase it. And I was kind of just like, it's okay, but I'm almost like intrigued to try different products, because there's one from Christopher Robin that I've heard got really great reviews, one from Briogeo that I wanted to try out also. So I'm going to finish it up and I'm going to use it, and I'll use it up and I'll finish it, but I think after that I'll be done. That's everything I picked up from my Sephora haul, but I did get a couple little testers. I did get the Laneige sleeping mask. I ended up using my points for it because I love that mask. And I really do love it. I think it's such a great mask. Right now I'm testing out Bite Beauty's Agave Lip Treatment. And then I also picked up the, before this haul, I also did pick up the fresh lip balm in like a small short pout. And I picked up like lime cucumber or something like that. Absolutely love it. I'm almost done with it actually, so I'll definitely be picking up another one of those. I just love it for at nighttime because it's thick but not too thick. I also did redeem my points also for a pore clarifying toner with 10% glycolic acid from Saturday Skin. And I actually was surprised because the little thing was like this big, you guys, and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna get like more than one use. I got 2 uses out of it, and I will tell you that it was very refreshing. It was very cooling on the skin. I actually was like tempted to maybe try it out. So I'm like, ooh, it's like really nice. Like the 2 times I used it, I was like, damn, that's nice. I'm a little bit bummed that I wasn't more excited with some of these products than others, but that's what happens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just an FYI, I do have an Ulta video coming soon. I'm just waiting for it to ship, and I'll probably add my newest Sephora haul with it together, so it'll be like an Ulta Sephora haul together. And then if you guys are wondering about my makeup, it was featured as part of my Throwback Tuesday tutorial. So if you guys are new here to my channel, every Tuesday I do a throwback tutorial, and we go through my Shop My Stash together. Basically, we do like a Shop My Stash. We go through our products and we pull out products that were once hyped about and people really don't hype about it. And then every week we rotate into my eyeshadow palette drawer and we pick out a different palette. So I will go ahead and link that over here along with another video that's new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys will subscribe and hang out with me for a while. Thank you all so much for your support, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.